1003 G.
I think we need to get our stuff together if we're going to be playing any better teams. Oh, it seemed we struggled a little bit on offense tonight. Defense was pretty solid, but offense definitely needs some work. Because I believe we came into this game a little complacent and expected Bisbee to lay down, so to speak. But they gave us a good fight in the first half.
I think they've been pretty solid all season. Defense has been great, offense has been great. They just need to keep working as a team. It takes great communication and, I don't know, just making sure that everybody works together.
It takes not only a lot of prayer, but a lot of work between the teammates. You know, obviously with the merging of Joy and PC, so they had to work real hard to get to know each other and to see each other's family.
Woo!
Woo!
Yeah!
Go on the stage!